Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I got this look right here. I wanted to play around with this palette. I don't think I really used this palette too much in any of my videos, but I really do like this palette. So this is the look I came up with. I used a couple of other products, but you will see in the video. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So the first thing I want to do is add a little bronzer into my crease, and this is Kylie's Toasty. Now we're going to go in with this Juvias Nubian II Palette, and I am going to pick up a little bit of this orange and also add this into my crease. I'm only going to work with very small amounts. So I'm going to take a little bit of this purple right here using the same brush, and I'm just going to work this into the outer V. All right, now what's ever left over on my brush, I'm just going to bring it more towards the middle with a very light wash. So I think I want to add a little bit of this color right onto my lid and blending it in with that purple. I'm going to take a little bit of that glitter primer from NYX, and I'm going to tap it right on top of that shadow I just laid down. I'm going to add this color now. I'm keeping most of this color in the inner portion. Going back in with that same shade, because I lost a bunch of that, I just want to keep that right here in the center. I'm going to go back in with this orange shade, and I am going to run this on the lower lash line. Taking this dark chocolatey brown, I am going to take a flat brush, and I am just going to use this in place of an eyeliner. But I'm only going to do a half liner. So I'm going to stop this halfway. I'm going to add a little bit of purple in my waterline. This is the neon eyeliner from LA Girl in Vivid. I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush that I used to apply the purple shadow, and I'm just going to blend a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of this Artist Couture in Purple Dream, and I'm going to apply this into my inner tear duct. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with Trophy Wife. I'm also going to add a small amount right here. I'm going to take a little bit of Hustla Baby Just add a very small amount on top of Trophy Wife. Such a pretty combination. I'm just going to apply a small amount on the nose. Blush. We are going in with this Alamar Cosmetics. This is medium tan, their Colorette Blush Trio. And I am literally taking all 3 shades and just applying it on the apples of my cheek. Alright, so this is the completed look. For my lips, I went in with MAC's Cork Lipliner. Then I went in with Wet n Wild's Rebel Rose Liquid Lipstick. I waited for that to dry down a little bit. Then I added a little bit of this Dose of Colors More Creamer Please lipstick. I don't think they have this anymore, which I'm really bummed out about because I really, really like this lipstick, but it was from the Desi and Katie collab, the first one that they did. And then I added a little bit of this Dominque Cosmetics in Strawberry Lemonade just for a little bit of lip gloss. I also really, really like this. But this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All product details will be listed down below for you guys. And yeah, that is about it. I will see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.